सर, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई हमारी तरफ से, मेरी तरफ से। आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे भी कि मैं आपका इस तरह से इंटरव्यू ले पा रही हूँ।
सेम हियर।
तो सर, मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे ये होगा कि आपकी जो पिक्चर है मेन विल बी मेन, ये बहुत ही एक अलग सा टाइटल है। आमतौर पर ये इस तरह से टाइटल देखे नहीं जाते हैं। तो आप हमें बताइए कि इसके पीछे क्या इसकी खासियत है, और थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कीजिए इसे।
You see, this story revolves around few men who belong to different age group, different profession, different metrics and axis of life. But at the end of the day, we find that there is something very common in all of them, irrespective of their position, power, education, standings in the society. Men remain men in respect of some of their basic instincts, some of their feelings, some of their behavioral patterns. This never changes. In this movie, there is a boy who basically is a photojournalist. There is a celebrity played by the great singer, Mr. Shobitra Roy. There is another character whom I have not shown. His name is Pallab. So all these characters, they belong to different age group, different profession, different strata of society. But still, when it came to behaving with a particular lady, the journalist, all of them displayed certain commonness, certain same insecurity, certain strange behavioral patterns which are typical of men. That's why I have given the title Men and Women.
सर, आप एक काफ़ी समय तक आप पुलिस अधीक्षक के पोस्ट पर रह चुके हैं। हमारे ज़िले में ही आप करीबन 6 साल तक रहे हैं। इतने बड़े ओहदे पर आप हैं, तो कैसे आप इसके लिए समय निकाल पाते हैं? मतलब
Well,
चोर उचक्कों को पकड़ना भी आपका काम है, पूरे ज़िले के थानों को देखना भी आपका काम है। तो ये थोड़ा बताइए हमें।
you see, there is no conflict between your professional work and your creative work. As you rightly said that I have held the post of superintendent of police in 2 districts, but that never stood in the way of my creative life. Because if you know how to compartmentalize things, how to divide your time, how to get into productive engagements in life, then people give lame excuse and false excuse that I don't get time. Everybody gets time. Some people utilize the spare time in different manner. Some people utilize the time in creative sense, in creative faculties, indulging into something creative. I belong to the second category. Not only film, I have been into theatre, I write, and it never stood in the way of this thing. Well, there are times, at times, I could not get into the creative things, say more than a month, 2 months. The discontinuity does occur, or did occur, because the nature of the job is like this, that sometimes there is a huge engagement, there is a law and order issue, there are crime issues. So, okay, fine. I thought it's fine. For the next 2 months, I will not write, I will not do anything. But after that situation normalized, then what people used to do, people indulge in wasting time, wasting in silly discussions and all, which I really dislike. When I was doing my theatre, normally there is a gap of last 1 year I couldn't do. Still, some people asked me. I said ki my rehearsal actually went on from 11 in the night till 4 a.m. in the morning, and still from 7 a.m. in the morning I was always ready for the go. So yes, I had to work extra hard. I could sleep that point, that time, which I did not do. I personally believe that if there is a will, there is a way. If you want to pursue your passion, so you don't give excuse. You can.
राइट सर, राइट। सर, अब तक आपने करीबन कितनी किताबें लिखी होंगी?
Well, I haven't written a published book as of now. I have written few short stories which have been published in popular dailies like Vartaman, Ajkal, Pratidin, etc. But I'm yet to write a complete book, but I'm writing one now, a novel.
सर, आप अपने आप को कैसे इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग रख पाते हैं? मतलब कैसे सारी चीज़ों को मेंटेन करते हैं? लिखना भी, डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाना, फिल्में, मतलब मैं ये करना उनको पूरी तरह से
See, my
स्क्रिप्ट
first
में।
love is sports. The people, all people know, all people around me know that I'm an avid cricketer. Whenever I get time, I go to the ground and do the net practice, do the batting or stretching back myself out. I personally feel that to be a good administrator, we have to be mentally and physically fit. Now, physical fitness requires to be on the ground, to play some game. Either you play cricket, football, badminton, swimming, whatever you do, you remain physically fit. Unless and until you are physically fit, you can't deliver on the ground. Second, creative things keep me mentally fit. If you are mentally not 100% charged to do your duties, to responsibilities, then you are not delivering the right amount, I should say. So a person has to remain physically and mentally absolutely fit on the toes to be on the chair to deliver to the optimum level. And all these things, my sporting activities, my creative activities have helped me to remain in shape not only physically but mentally. And that's why I have always planned to divide my time. Divide my time, well, as I said, that it doesn't happen that it will go according to your plan all the time, because it's a very uncertain system. Anything can happen any moment in a police officer's life. Then I used to tell myself, fine, I will not do anything creative for the next 2 months, 3 months. Like I didn't do theater for last 1 year. I didn't get time. So but it's in the back of mind. The moment I get some opportunities, I will again do theater, because it is a very good thing. It keeps me alive and
Right.
kicking. So it is all about time management. If you can manage time well, you can do number of things, and if you waste time, you cannot do anything. That's my take.
राइट योर पॉलिसी सर ये।
Yes.
राइट सर। यस सर, अब आपकी ये फिल्म जो रूस में फिल्म
यूक्रेन में, हाँ, यूक्रेन
यस
कीव में, right.
यूक्रेन, हाँ, वहाँ सिलेक्शन हुआ है इसका,
Right.
और आपको वहाँ जाने का इनविटेशन भी
Right.
मिला है, तो मतलब कैसा लग रहा है फील सर?
Definitely, it's a very good feeling. Actually, this film has so far won 2 European, not one, I should say, this film has been selected in 2 European festivals. One is the South European Film Festival, which is supposed to be held at Valencia, Spain. I've also been invited for that, but because of this COVID-19 and all, it has become the festivals. Normal gathering has become very uncertain. Festivals do happen. Festivals will take place in its own way. They will see the movies, they will judge the first, second, third, but selection has been already done. As far as Ukraine, my Kiev is concerned, I submitted my film. You know, there are certain norms to submit any film in the International Film Festival. Number one, you have to send them the file in the Vimeo format with the password. They will see it. Secondly, the film has to have an English subtitle. They have asked for a Russian subtitle as well this time, which I have to provide. Then the synopsis of the film, a teaser, etc., etc. So they have their norms. Once you fulfill the norms, then the film is eligible for their consideration. They will see all the pictures. Maybe thousands of pictures are submitted for film festivals from across the world. Now, as an independent filmmaker, I always feel that not only because I have been selected, that is a great feeling. I don't know whether I'll be able to go to Kiev as invited because of these COVID factors and all. But certainly it has given me the exposure, the global exposure. My name is known now, and I have the network now. I'm developing a network. I'm talking to the African filmmakers as well. I'm just see beyond America, beyond Bollywood, Tollywood, there are films are being made. Films are also made in Iran. Beautiful films are made in Iran, South Korea. The last time, Parasite, which won the Oscar, is a South Korean film. So, as I'm getting into these, as I got selected, my network has increased. I came to know more number of people from across the world, from the remotest part of Africa. I've seen the Algerian boys are making beautiful films, like Ghana people are making beautiful films. So it's basically global community of filmmakers, and I'm just proud and happy to be in this global community of filmmakers. That is the most important thing that I have got through this selection. These selections, these European selections, as everybody participates in this thing, it gives you the platform, the exposure, and the global connectivity as a filmmaker, which is I think the most important gift that I have got.
राइट सर, इसमें खास क्या है इस पिक्चर में, वो भी आपने थोड़ा बहुत बताया
Right.
सर?
You see, first of for a long time I have been working in this region, like Malda, North and South Dinajpur is like my home. So I am uh, accustomed or I am aware of the various traditional festivals of this region. There are festivals of this region which the world doesn't know because they have never been marketed. Like our revered Bulla Kali Pujo. Thousands and thousands of devotees come. People who have never been to South Dinajpur would never believe that such a festival can take place in a remote Bengal district. When I first joined, I was surprised to see the volume of crowd. It was lakhs. I have performed Ganga Sagar duty. I have performed this Rash Mela duty. These are all very popular, very known festivals.
Right.
But when I first time performed Bulla Mela duty, I was really surprised that how much crowd a puja can draw, a festival can draw. So similarly, there are number of festivals in Malda, South and North Dinajpur, which are not properly presented to the world because many people know about this thing. This film is basically made on the backdrop of a traditional festival which takes place in Harishchandrapur Jamidar Badi.
Yes.
They call it Ram Kanai Dol or Pancham Dol. This holy or the whole festival actually runs for 5 days. They have a deity, a temple there, Ram Kanai's temple. Ram Kanai is their Kulu Devata or their Dada family god, to say. All of them believe in Ram Kanai. So during the holy festival of their members from all over India, all over Bengal, all over the world, they come, assemble. And my primary objective, I could make this film on any backdrop basically. I did not require this particular festival, but I thought that if I do it in the backdrop of the festival, a traditional festival of Malda, which is basically very close to my heart, you know, I go to Malda, I have a number of friends in Malda, even Shomit Choda happens to be a very good friend. I know the family, entire Rai family. Dr. Durjoti Rai is eye specialist. His wife, Dr. Rashi Ray, they also have played small roles in the film. The entire family is very known to me. They're a very good family. So I thought, why not to showcase this festival also? Now the world, the Europe comes to know that, well, there is a festival called this Pancham Dol in some part of Bengal where
Right.
the festivals are celebrated. So this is one important aspect of the movie, I should say, that it has basically showcased a very important age-old festival which nobody has so far showcased to the world. This is the first thing that I have done. Secondly, all the protagonists, the actor, actresses, the crew, everybody, they belong to North Bengal. And if you see that this film is now streaming in other times like prestigious platform. So I am not very sure, but not many films have made it to the big platforms from North Bengal. Mine may be the one of the few films that have made it. So again, it is a testimony, it is a proof that the North Bengal boys and girls, the actors and actresses, the crews, if given the opportunity, they are at par with the world. Their films are now appreciated and selected in Europe. That itself is an achievement for this part of the Bengal. So immense talent it has got. Malda, South Dinajpur, North Dinajpur, this part, even Shiliguri. And what gives me a real pleasure is that boys, the crew and cast from this area, they have made it so big, and they are now appreciated. Even the girl who has given voice, the playback singer. One second. ভালো আছেন ম্যাডাম? নমস্কার। না না না, কোনো প্রবলেম না, আমি একটা ইন্টারভিউ দিচ্ছি, বেরিয়ে ফোন করি আপনাকে। হ্যাঁ করছি, ঠিক আছে প্রতিমান। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, প্লিজ 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 প্লিজ, হ্যাঁ। So that is the second joy, the second kick you can say, that I could really, this film has proved that talent of this part of the world is at par with any part of the world, and they can really clinch the selection in prestigious European festival. So that itself is a celebration for us, that with very limited resources, very I should say limited camera resources, light and all, because normally we use a simple camera, maybe a Mark IV kind of a camera. where the Mumbai films or other big films are made with Alexa Mini and Red Dragon, which are very expensive cameras. So we don't have that. We have very simple camera setup. We have very simple accessories, apparatus. But with that, even we could make it. So if the content is good, if the acting is good, if the passion is there, I believe that films can be selected, and this can inspire other filmmakers as well to submit their films in the national festival. I always tell youngsters, go and submit in the international festival, because that gives you the real challenge, because nobody knows me there, nobody knows me in Ukraine, nobody knows me in Spain. If my film is good, I'm selected. If my film is bad, I'm not selected. As simple
Right.
as that. So that is a challenge, and I'm very happy that my film has been selected.
Thank you so much, sir.